reach out to every child and be able to bring the child out and for him to reach his best potential. But technology enables the teacher to be able to do that equally and reach out to the uniqueness of a child. One. Secondly, the role of teachers are changing because teachers today have become mentors and young people are driving the whole learning process as to how they want to learn and how much. And that's a wonderful thing about times like today. Extra Marks provides digital learning solutions across the world in the classroom and after school also. But there are some people who wished the schools to be bagless. And everybody said that it is a very elite, high-cost requirement. But there is a little school in the remote area of Kerala whose head wanted to introduce a bagless concept in their school. And it's a real poor setup, a small town, but parents have come together and they have helped convert the whole school into a bagless school. I have a question that we are in exponential times, as all of you know. Everything is connected, everything is equally excellent, and when performance is also reaching perfection. So only one thing is left that you need to innovate. That is you. You are the center of raging tornado fueled by digitization, mobilization, augmentation, automation. It is a given with young people. And disruption is normal. But you have to see whether you're driving or you're being driven. Very, very important. In any change, it is very important to know whether you're driving or you're being driven, because technology is not change. It just enables and it fulfills a how. It's only the human being that fulfills the why we do what we do. And we cannot digitize human emotion, creativity, intuition, and ethics. I'd like to speak to you about ethics. A juxtaposition of technology and ethics. Yesterday I read a news of an 88-year-old man outside a mall. There was a young man coming back from work and he saw an 88-year-old man standing outside the mall and shivering. And when he went up to him and asked him what his name was, where he came from, he could not answer because apparently he had not eaten food for 2 days and he was mumbling. And this young man went back home and picked up blankets and clothes and one of his friends and came back to the mall. And he again asked him, and that old man gave him an address of Kanpur. This young man took him to the old age homes and 2-3 places. After half an hour, they just moved him to their own house. And all the friends got together and put his address and his photograph on Facebook. By around midnight, there was a friend in Kanpur who had gone to that particular shop and found out this man used to sit in the shop 10 years ago. And these people have moved back to Delhi, and then they found out where in Delhi they lived and called his son, and his son was looking for his father. For last 3 days he had gone out for a walk and had forgotten his way. Now there is a human emotion and a motivation which is riding on this wonderful change that is technology. And I do not think in all the changing world that we are in that can go